Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how to make a aerated brick wall airtight for an MVHR installation. So what we have here is a thermalite block, very energy efficient, very good installation values, but highly porous, by itself not airtight. And we are going to use a Aerosana Visconn liquid membrane. We apply this everywhere on the surface and that will give us a great seal. It's a flexible seal, so if there's any movement in the wall that will happen in the first months and later on, the liquid membrane will tolerate that and provide an airtight seal. There will be some details, joints around the joists. We'll get there later. But Flo over here, he's prepping the wall right now, and we will show you step by step what we're doing. Yesterday we did a little test here on this area to check how the membrane is filling little dips like this. Yeah, so the thermalite blocks, they've got plenty of those little holes. By themselves, they don't justify putting a pouch coat on. We will just go through them and you can see holes like this, they came out really well. It just goes through it and you apply a bit more membrane and that's a great single coat. And we're going, this was horizontally applied and we're going vertically on the second layer today, and that's going to be a really good airtight seal.
But before we get to that, we've got to clear the space out. The wall needed a good dust and a hoover to prepare it for painting.
Why is this not working?
Next day now, and we're just prepping the surfaces from yesterday and mixing up the Aerosana Visconn.
You need to take off the DPC first, and then you can only paint around them.
Tell you what, kids these days are getting a lot smarter, and he's right. We want to get rid of the DPC so we can paint the Visconn right up to the edge. We're prepping for an MVHR system, so the next step after all this will be putting air tightness tape around all the seals that connect to the exterior wall. It's why this paint is super important, because it will block any hole, preventing any air from getting out. It's really thick, so it's a really push to just fill out those little cracks you see.
Fantastic.
That's amazing.